The most logical argument in any Marvel movie. Why would you want to save the galaxy? Because I'm one of the idiots who lives in it. Sony at the end of their conference. The price of the PS5s. So are you guys getting the mini fridge or the Wi-Fi router? Hey, that was a cool dream. What dream? Just now. About the someone. Sorry if my English is bad. It isn't my native language. Their English. Me watching an athlete fail to run 100 meters in 10 seconds while I haven't moved from the couch in 9 hours. My son has had Minecraft and he has been playing for a little over 4 years now. He only has one world, and he plays it non-stop. Should I delete the world? Stares mother duckily. The side characters during a cutscene. The side characters during the mission. When you find the milk carton at the grocery store that expires one day later than the others. Me to my crush. You know you really mean a lot to me. I love her. I know, right? You're such a great friend. 0 pimps. When mobile ads hide the X button in a different corner than normal. Epic Games gives away GTA 5. America becomes GTA 5. Epic Games gives away Ark Survival Evolved. America. If you glue a dead wasp to your palm, you can smack your boss on the back of the head as hard as you want and act like you saved him. Stonks. I have a Wii. I have a router. PlayStation 5. Me. Heals tens of times during the fight. The boss. Heals once. Me. Google. Tesla stocks. Did you mean Tesla stocks? Shouting. Did I stutter? Is Pink Panther a lion? Say that again but slower. I don't get. He's the Pink Panther. Okay, but is he a lion? The Pink Panther is actually a diamond. Listen here, you little shit. Internet. We live in a world full of racism, inequality and police brutality. The world. YouTuber I'm sub to gives a heart on my comment because he actually found it funny. Me for the next 10 years. Animals exist. Humans. You're awfully cute. But unfortunately for you, you're made of meat. Me. Miss, may I go to the toilet? Teacher, you should have gone during lunch. Me. Goes during lunch. Teacher, why are you late? Me. Hold on. This whole operation was your idea. Me making my first meal after moving out. The boys during a school shooting. Do we have any guns? The teacher. No, we don't have any. The quiet kid. Me telling a joke a bit too mature for my age. My parents. My bro. How people draw birds. Me an intellectual. Me barking back at my dog. My dog wondering why I've decided to change the topic to theoretical physics. Siri when I say hey Siri. No, I don't think I will. Siri when some random guy from a YouTube video says a random word. Hello there. I'm a vampire. I'm a zombie. I'm your worst nightmare. 8-year-old me after realizing 2 times 2 equals to 2 plus 2. So 3 times 3 equals 3 plus 3. Just as I calculated. Teachers after they change the display from AV1 to HDMI in 3 hours. When you're walking down the sidewalk and see a cat in someone's driveway. Teacher, we are going to Japan. Girls, OMG I can't wait to see the pink trees. Boys, samurai. When you push the vacuum cleaner over a spot of dirt and you hear that crackle. When Americans visit Canada and the speed limit is in kilometers per hour instead of football fields per Fahrenheit. What the duck is that even supposed to mean? Parents, no relationships with girls while studying. Son, starts a relationship with a boy. Parents. SpaceX lands a rocket on a drone ship in the middle of an ocean, and you can't even park a car straight. Friend, your crush is free. Go ask her out. But that's social interaction and I don't support it. This Game Boy survived a bombing in the Gulf War. Finally, a worthy opponent. Me when I find random song I gave up searching for 5 years ago. Ma'am, I'm going to place you on a brief hold. When the nerd tries to be a rebel for a day. I tried forming a gang once, but it turned into a book club. Waiter, I'm sorry, is Pepsi okay? Pepsi, I haven't been happy 1 minute in my entire ducking life. Book has new chapter. First letter, second letter. That one guy in the comments section that always starts his detailed, well-researched and worded paragraph with "I'm not an expert but." Me, let's draw a circle, my hand. Can I offer you a nice egg in this trying time? How the 12-year-old me felt like when wearing a hoodie. New Zealand, the rest of the world trying to deal with COVID-19. When you connect your charger on 1% charge but remove it on 15%, your phone, you won't let me live, you won't let me die. PlayStation fans, I can't believe they changed the controller's design. Nintendo fans, first time? Me, I unplugged all the beeping machines so everyone can sleep better. The doctor. Artist, my painting is a symbol of honor and love. The painting. Me, Mum, can we get the new PS5? Mum, we got a PS5 at home. The PS5 at home. Netflix should let us take screenshots so we can make avatar memes without another screen. I got to say soccer, your ideas continue to impress me. Me and my PC when I started a setup. Loading, 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 loading. Completed. Task failed successfully. Being able to tolerate the sound of your own voice in a video is probably the highest form of self-acceptance. No, he's got a point. What the back camera sees. What the front camera sees. Me trying to handle 2020. Undercover cops posing as drug buyers arrested by undercover cops posing as drug dealers. Undercover cops. Undercover cops. When you invade Earth, but you have to spend 2 weeks in quarantine. There is a really good looking guy in my accounting class and his Insta was on private, so I sent a follow request during class and he looked over at me then denied the request. Anti-simp. Odin is with us. What do you call a crying sister? A crisis. Government, we will have to extend the quarantine. Students. A celebrity dies. Teenagers who never heard of that celebrity. F. When I think about how I talked and acted when I was young. Cringe. This quote speaks to me on a spiritual level. Should I sleep or should I shower? I could sleep in the shower. Ugh, but I'm also starving. When you get dizzy at the party, what did you do to my drink? Me waiting for my baby Minecraft animals to grow up so I can put them through their 6th generation of incest. Kylie Jenner is the Ariel we all deserved. There's already enough plastic in the ocean. That's a lot of damage. My dad gifted me this on my birthday. Should I keep it as a pet or eat it? Companies in June 2020 trying to get more customers. When you delete your 3TB homework folder so you can download Minecraft mod, all victories inevitably come at a cost. 10-year-old me reading the entire menu knowing that I'm just going to choose chicken nuggets again. The moment when you hear your own voice on a recording. He was winning so I got mad. Kid raises right hand. Teacher, any other hands? Kid raises left hand. Also kid, king of comedy. Teachers when school starts again, I don't want to play with you anymore. Everyone after PS5 revealed, does it come in black? When you are snack but ain't nobody hungry.
Damn son, you made it to the end? You're a fucking beast. I'll cut you a deal. Smash like and subscribe for more juicy memes. It's free and that's a great price.